forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get notified when we release a new episode.
And welcome back to Wvhs. Yet again, another sad, boring, and awful week without Austin! Woo!
Yes! I love this. I have most of the spotlight to myself.
No, please don't start this again. Like, dude, we were just getting hyped up. Don't ruin it.
I wish you wouldn't be so negative towards me. It's kind of bumming me out.
Well, maybe you were so sensitive that we would get...
Let's go, girl.
Oh, y'all don't know how great it is to be back after one long week of being out.
You're back.
What is tarnation y'all talking about? Oh my god, dude, I did not miss you at all. Anyways, we're just talking about the school news, right, Trey?
Yeah, I guess.
Okie dokie then, to the school news.
Prom's coming up fast, so any juniors and seniors that want to attend prom need to bring $40 to Miss Tootle by February 5th.
All seniors that want to be in the 2021 Hall of Fame can pick up an application packet in the information center outside this library.
Oh, I should probably go get one.
Senior dues need to be turned into Miss Dykes as soon as possible, please. At least I ain't saying it this go around.
And Valentine's Day is coming up. Special orders can be bought from DECA. Order forms are in the info center in front of the library.
Make sure you get your sweetheart, country, whoever, Van Cleveland, a gift and make them feel, man, I feel like a cowboy, or man, I feel like a woman.
And now with Maddie with Student Spotlight.
I still think I would be a much better student spotlight.
Be quiet, Trey. No one wants to look at you more than they absolutely have to.
Hey guys, it's Maddie Pogan. For this week's Student Spotlight, I am interviewing JoJo Garrard. Hi JoJo, what are your hobbies?
I'm really into cars. I do a lot of fishing with my dad. You know, basic just high school dude stuff, I guess.
That's boring. Want to update me on your bus situation?
Buses are pretty cool. I feel like, you know, the seats are very comfortable and they should stay there. So,
You want to tell me about the bus seat?
I really don't know what you're talking about.
I think you do.
I
There's a whole video, you know, that the office has.
I signed a non-disclosure agreement, so next question.
What's your favorite Skittle flavor?
Probably gonna have to be orange or red.
Mine's green. You're gross.
This is not yellow.
Oh no, yellow's the worst.
Amen.
Anyways, you have dogs?
I do have two, actually.
What are their names?
Koa and Kai.
I already knew that. What breed are they?
Kai, he's a month old. He's a Catahoula Husky mix. And Koa is a Beagle Wiener mix.
Wiener?
Yes. As in Dotson.
So you named one of your dogs after a friend? Kai?
No, I didn't even know Kai, so it's a different Kai.
You want to tell me a little bit about your car group?
Which one?
Yes.
Okay, so the first one, you know, it's the people are a little bit older. They have more money to spend on their cars, a little bit nicer cars. And the main one I'm in, you know, we're all just pretty much broke kids driving around in cars. So.
Can you give me some advice for upcoming freshmen?
Leave the bus seats alone. Don't procrastinate. That's one thing I did in high school, was procrastinate a lot and put me back some, you know, get to avoid some scholarship opportunities, grade-wise. Definitely get into VOTEC if you can find a class in VOTEC that you actually enjoy, because it's definitely an experience. And yeah.
And for some advice for, you know, the seniors that are leaving.
To be honest, my class, like, I'm not really close with my class. I'm not friends with a lot of people in my class, but I will say the past 4 years has been good. Yeah, so they all have the best lives they chase.
Back to the Yankees.
Wow, he's something. Thank you, Maddie, for that Student Spotlight.
it still baffles me that he tried to take a bus. Never mind. I'm just surprised that you guys haven't even asked me whether or not I want to be in the student spotlight.
How could anybody want to interview you? You had no real talent except that bird's nest of a head.
Anyways, I don't think anyone needs to ask to know what you want.
I need a break from you guys. Your pessimistic attitude is putting a cramp on my style. I think I'm ready for the teacher spotlight. How about you guys?
Now hang on before we go. If y'all watched last episode, he did say he did miss me. Kinda.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
I was being
Now
sarcastic.
Cheyenne with the teacher spotlight.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne, and for this week's Teacher of the Week, I am interviewing Miss Overstreet. She's has such a bubbly personality and so creative and intelligent.
Is my hair good?
It's great.
Alrighty, so how do you feel about broadcast taking over your old room?
I have mixed emotions about it. I loved my hobbit hole away from everyone else, but I'm glad that a good group of people is getting to use it.
That's good. What is your favorite food or drink?
Oh, my favorite food would have to be boiled shrimp or nachos. And my favorite drink is seltzer water.
Where is one place you want to visit and why?
I would like to visit Hawaii because I'd love to see a lava flow.
What is something that many people don't know about you?
What's something that many people don't know about me? I don't know. Maybe that I have 5 children?
Oh, you have 5?
I do.
Oh, wow. Is there any crazy stories that have happened over the years you've worked here?
Crazy stories. Gosh, I know there's some crazy stories. I just can't think of any. Austin, what's a crazy story? Oh, the Corona 2020? That's a crazy story. I never thought that I would have to wear masks to work. So that's crazy. Doing virtual school was crazy. One weird thing that happened is a student brought me a bowling ball that they found in the parking lot.
A bowling ball?
That's kind of weird. They thought that I needed that. Another crazy story. Oh, one crazy story is when kids used to do senior pranks. The class of 2000 let go 2,000 crickets in the building. So I was very happy that I was not in the building at that time. There were crickets forever in the building. It was disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
Back to the anchor.
It is truly a wonder that some teachers can put up with people like Dalton over here with his negative and rude self.
Dude, can we... Okay, well, can we just keep going? I just can't right now. I think I'm just gonna lie my head down for a while.
Thank you, Cheyenne, for that segment of Teacher Spotlight. You know, I've kind of been thinking that I might want to be a teacher.
Please no.
But
Please no.
not.
Now to Must's Mosh Pit of Sports with me and Must too, I guess.
Welcome to Must's Mosh Pit of Sports. I'm Must.
I'm Trey.
Thursday, the boys junior varsity and girls and boys varsity of basketball will play.
Those will be away and against Pearl River High School.
And coming up on the 13th, the girls varsity softball team will play at East Central High School.
Boys varsity baseball will play 1 game on the 15th, 2 games on the 18th, and 1 on the 19th.
The first and last games will be in Forest County, and the 2 on the 18th will be at Harrison Central. That'll be the end of Must's Mosh Pit. Now back to the anchors.
Good. Hey, bro. You missed the entire sports segment.
Please, just leave me alone.
Geez, what happened to him while I was gone?
Fine, but you're gonna miss tech time. He's just a negative Nancy, and I can't stand people like that.
Me neither.
Can we just shut the tech time and save us all?
Didn't y'all say there was a part 2 or something?
Hello, and welcome back to History of Tech. So, you know where we are in the story for the Bismarck. Let's continue. Previously, the HMS Hood and Prince of Wales opened fire on what they thought was the Bismarck. However, the more modern equipment on the Prince of Wales realized what they had thought was the Bismarck was actually heading towards the Prince of Oregon. Disobeying orders, the Prince of Wales' spotter targeted the Bismarck and opens fire. The British ships are approaching head-on though, only allowing them to use their front turrets. However, the Bismarck and Prince Eugen are broadside, which allows them to open up with all armaments available. Admiral Holland orders the hood to turn 20 degrees to port. The British rear turrets to bear on the Prince Eugen, who they still think is the Bismarck for some reason. A shell from the Prince Eugen strikes the hood, igniting a fire in the AA gun round storage, which is quickly extinguished. After firing 3 salvos, the Bismarck finds the range of the hood and fires. Main and secondary guns. Penetrate the hood's thin deck armor and the ACM on top into the stern of the hood, causing a massive explosion that blew the ship apart. In only 8 minutes, the British had lost the pride of their fleet, and the Prince Eugen and Bismarck switched their targets to the engagement with Prince of Wales. The Prince of Wales attempts an escape through a smoke screen, but ends up actually able to damage the Bismarck with a lucky shot throwing off its armor into the ocean. The battling wall Prince of Wales takes up position with the cruiser shadowing the fleet. It signals the Admiralty that the hood is blown up. Churchill is livid. He gives the order. The HMS Rodney, heading to the U.S. for a refit, received and turns its 16-inch guns back towards Europe. The Arctic Royal Aircraft Carrier receives and unpacks its torpedo bombers. The air raids are thick with this one order: sink the Bismarck. Tune in next week for the hunt for the Bismarck and the conclusion to this story. Now back to the anchors.
Austin, did you actually watch last week's episode?
I sure did. I watched it last night. Y'all get a 2 out of 3 for y'all's first time out from under Papa's wings.
Wait, a 2 out of 3?
Yeah, there was 2 of y'all when I was out, and that's 2 out of 3. It's still a passing grade.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and it's that time.
Alright guys, it's time for some people that actually make me happy. To Jesse and Dylan and the viral video, and Austin's horrific singing.
Why couldn't an old man go shopping?
Why?
He'll get towed away.
My favorite Bernie Sanders memes.
Don't get me wrong, I like a bobber on the water. Hook 'em and reel 'em and then I like a Friday night slow ride, Brooks and Dunn, B-side, hit rewind, spin it again. I like a strong shot of whiskey, the way a Marlboro hits me, and some broken in cowboy boots. But I'm in love, loving on you. I feel that rush as soon as we walk in our room. I can't get enough of you, honey. You're right on the money. I'm just junkie for your midnight moons. I'm in love, loving on you. I like a sunrise, dove blind birdie on a par 5 Miller Lite before noon. I like a 2-door old 4-wood board back porch, 3 chords and the truth. But I'm in love, loving on you. I feel that rush soon as you walk in a room. I can't get enough of you, honey. You're right on the money. I'm a junkie for your feel that rush and you walk in a room. I can't get enough of you, honey. You're right on the money. I'm a junkie for your midnight moves. I'm in love with loving on you. I'm in love with loving on you. I'm in love.
Stop, dude. My ears are bleeding.
Oh, and do not forget
Adventure awaits.
Trey, what kind of need you?
Well, that should be it for news for this week. And now with Matt. Oh, okay. Wow, he's stumping. Thank you, Maddie, for that student spotlight.
It's a good thing we don't have any bus seats on the way. No, never mind.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne, and for this t-shirt, I cannot speak.
Maybe I should do that.
Yeah.
You gotta keep your leg up high.
It's on live. I'm just recording. Hey, I'm Cheyenne.
Hey there, I'm Cheyenne. Never mind. She has a pencil.
She's a pencil. Whenever you're ready, we can just edit this.
I don't have a pencil.
I can throw a pencil at you.
Okay.
No, that's bad. I can't throw a pencil. You're built different. They're built different. They like to put it in yours.
Yo!
The dog. Keep going.
Who is that?
Trevor, come here.
You ruined it.
That me up. What's up? I'm in an interview. That me up.
Keep asking weird things. She is in like Bobby Bachman's old room.
My Deca.
They made it into the entire art room.
That's it.
Skittles.
That's Trevor.
Never met him in my life.
Yellow.
That's the boy that we talked about. I had no idea
Hey.
who he was. Never seen him before.
Him?
I don't know him.
That's
we
my boy.
We talked about this.
There's
I don't know him.
He's like one of the most slept on people in Cleveland, and everyone here should know that.
That's what.
Sports car.
Fast.
Sometimes.
Slow.
Taco. Ew. Hot dogs. Mustard.
Ketchup.
Dog food. Tristan and Chandler's.
My boy.
My boy.
Blonde.
Brown.
Weird.
Ugly.
Short.
Chubby.
You want to be talking?
Alright, so we can get back to the anchors.
Women's rights?
Blech.
I'm sorry, I don't.
No, we probably.
What are women's rights?
I have no clue. They're non-existent.